They're readily available. Airsoft companies have made smokes pretty...
They're actually pretty dang good.
Yeah, they're pretty dang good. They're available.
Okay.
EG-18X.
Yep.
I think X is the military simulation.
We basically use that as a visual cue once we got into kind of our assault line. They're not waterproof. They're not waterproof.
So we live in the Pacific Northwest where it rains like 90% of the year. So that means we need water resistant stuff. So if we want to have smoke grenades, the EG M18 is really not going to do much because obviously it's not waterproof. Now, when it comes to like IWA International, their stuff is waterproof for up to a minute in full submersion. So yeah. So what these are meant for is communication and marking so that you can talk to your comrades when there's a big firefight and you can't hear each other. And obviously, seems to be working pretty well. I would say that I have notified my teammates where I'm at and what we're doing. So if you watched Grantham's video and you want some smoke grenades, it's definitely a good alternative. As you can see, it's really lingering there. We are going to do a full review of their full line of grenades, so they're multi-bangs, flashbangs, and even we'll go back over the smoke grenades. Short video today, obviously. We live in the Pacific Northwest where sunsets are at 4:30, so we only have so much time to, film. Other than that, that's going to be it for today's episode. We'll see you guys soon.
Move my body back.